Having problem on a shaky video clip? Wondering how you will fix it? Stay tuned and I will teach you the answer. It's just simple. Let's go! First, install Google Photos. In this case, I already installed it earlier. After installing the application, open Google Play. Find the video footage that you need to edit. Click on the specific video footage. Wait for the menu or options to appear. Then press edit. Depending on your available space or device, it might take some time. Just relax and be patient. At the moment, it's still loading. Here you can see other options for editing, for enhancing your video quality. Go to the video option, then press stabilize. This process might take some time. For example, if you have 5 minutes video, it might take 10 minutes or longer to finish. I sped up the process so you can see the result much faster. I edit this one on a split screen and realign the two footage next to each other, making an illusion that it is cut on half so you could compare it. For more details, read the description below. Enjoy and thanks for watching.